Hi guys, today we are going to create a HTML page. Here is a sample that I made before, but our target is to design this pattern. You are getting the UI of this. What do we need to do? This is the initial interface that we need to design. Okay, this is like uh, a Bengali newspaper online portal, and you can see here that the upper section there is available a text, just a text, and social media icons on the right side. And next to this date section we can see a navbar. There is 3 column navbar. The left hand side, this is a hamburger, and this is a logo. And on the center of this section we see the navigation menus, and the right side of the screen you will see the search bar. when when I do this, I'm pretty much confused on what to do on responsive design. Let us check what I did. Before we proceed, you may know the SCSS or SCSS systems to uh, design new more patterns easily through the SCSS. Here is the sample that I do before. This is the hamburger and this is the icon, and here are the middle menus, the navbars. On the right side you see the search icon. When I click on it, it is pop up and give you the input box, and you may input anything on here for search, and after that you need to hit enter to access on the link, or if you want you can cross it. Here is the initial interface, and I also add the hamburger functionalities. When user click on hamburger, it shows some of menus, and here is the view. Yeah, everything is ready, and I also do it on responsive systems. Let us check it. When I do it on device, uh, you may see the middle menu bars are responsive, and they are collapsed into them between the logo and the search bar. Let us check it more clearly when I reduce the screen size. And here is the final result. I need to do more thing to customize these menu bars. Here is a scroll bar. There is more user friendly. I need to do this on user friendly system. It's capable to dragging, but it's not implemented right now. I need to do this. This is much complicated, that's why I skip it right now. And we are going to do another. We don't need to touch anything on the neighbor. Here is the VS Code function. We already start live IP and the live search. Here this is, you may see here the watching. That means the live SaaS is right now running on my PC. On this project, we reduce this output. Now check what need to do next. Here is another block. This is a marquee text. This is just like a highlight newses. Okay, let us do this. Okay, let me check what we need to do. We do this in index space. The responsive search is not need for now. Here is the index space, and here is the neighbor. Sorry, here is the neighbor. I just zip it, and responsive design query, no need, and responsive Hamburg. Okay. What is happening? I think anything is there is some mistakes, that's why this responsive functionalities and the SaaS is not run correctly. We don't need to change anything right now, that's why the marquee text section in here we are taking the marquee text section. Let's start. We need to create a class. Before that, comment a title what we are going to doing right now. Making marquee highlight news, the latest news marquee, and comment it out. And I think the SaaS is not run correctly right now. Okay, let do it. We need to create a class div dot, the class name is latest news block. Don't need to take the div, we need to take the section tag, and section tag. What is happening? Okay, right now between the latest news section, we're the UI. Where is the UI? Hmm? Okay, here is the UI. This block is not more than 20 pixel. That's why the right hand side we are putting the UI. Now here is the one is background and the text and the div, the title, the Shironam. Now the first is the background, so we need to create a div background marq bg. Here is the background, and also design it right here using the style tag. Style tag. Oh my god. Unfortunately my Y is not working. Style. Okay. The latest news blog. marq bg not need right now because we have already the section class name latest news dot latest news. For this we need to take the properties. The width is always 100%. The height will be 40 pixel. Then take the all item between this class in the center, so that we need to call the display flags properties. Actually it doesn't need. Okay, the position will be relative because we have more absolute classes. That's why the main container should be on relative position. And here is the marq text, not bg. We're taking a text. The first is the latest news title. Before that we need to check this stuff. We need to create a div on latest news. We are creating a div is and this block. Okay, we'll be creating a div name Shironam. In this class we first need to create another div for the background Shironam bg, and here is another div that is contain the text, so that Here is a p tag and the highlight. We are just declaring this jgh highlight. Here is the highlight and latest reflex exit Shironam and Shironam also display flags, and the position should be absolute. Okay, position should be absolute. And between the Shironam class we have another class name Shironam bg. This is the background of this thing. This stuff need to color maybe gray. So let me add this Shironam bg, and the color should be width. What is width of this section? The highlight is maybe not more than 100 pixel. So let's take it on 100 pixel. So for example, height is relative, that's why we are taking the auto height, and display should be flags, and after that justify can't just put it on the center of this div. That's why we are taking align item should be center. Okay, item should be center. Shironam bg is everything is okay. The title Shironam bg, Shironam, between the Shironam, that's why we are taking Shironam. P should be font size should be larger, and the font weight should be normal, don't need to take it anything. Font weight maybe 500, that is, or 600 to bold. This is larger bold. Okay, Shironam P, and this is always in center of the Shironam. The Shironam width should be, we are declaring the width 300 pixel. Position doesn't matter. Okay, let it put absolute. Now we are Shironam bg. Where the Shironam bg width, it don't need to take any width because the parent class is already declared the width. Okay, display flags, don't need to right now because this is just a background. The background color should be gray. Okay, but what we'll do for this cut of this div, for this, what should we do? Let us check the output. Nothing is happened. what is actually do? Highlight. Okay, let us put a color for background color. Gold. Okay, our div is already created. Height more than, we are taking 100 pixel, that we clearly do. Shironam. If we thank you for so much. We are already do everything for this, and I